Welcome to the session on climate change and achievement of National Development Plan NDP III goals. Climate change is one of the greatest development challenges threatening human survival and existence. Climate change impacts have become more severe, causing irreversible effects on communities, water, and environment resources. Frequent droughts and high temperatures have increased water insecurity, and this has affected livelihoods of many vulnerable people. As communities experience changing weather patterns, less predictable rainfall, sustainable water, sanitation services, and hygienic practices become a critical line of defense. Uganda is currently experiencing challenge of rising water levels in lakes and rivers, including Lake Victoria and Lake Kyoga. The prolonged and intensive rainfall since September 2019 and the associated rise in water levels has led to flooding in several parts of the country, having negative impact on property, infrastructure, and people's lives. For example, on 11th April 2020, dislodgement of encroached wetlands at the lakeshore of Lake Victoria caused blockage of River Nile in Jinja, resulting into power blackout for several hours. While floods have always occurred, the flooding cycle has become shorter. This is caused by increased settlements and developments in floodplains, poor agricultural practices, and deforestation. The country is therefore increasingly facing a major challenge of prolonged droughts and unexpected floods due to climatic change and variability. The impact of climate change is affecting Uganda's efforts to achieve the targets envisioned by the National Development Plan III, Vision 2020, and the Sustainable Development Goals. Successful industrialization and diversification of the economy will only be possible if the impacts of climate change are addressed. Given the current, expected, and projected rise in temperature, climate change adaptation and mitigation in Uganda is inevitable. There is also a need to explore existing and potential innovative climate change mitigation and adaptation options that are key in supporting the achievement of various NDP III goals and targets, specifically employment, wealth creation, and genuine economic growth. Such innovative climate change mitigation and adaptation options include protection of water catchments and the general environment, regular maintenance of water bodies and rivers so that they perform their water storage and conveyance function, demarcation and protection of lakeshores, riverbanks, and wetlands to limit encroachment, and strengthening of enforcement of the water and environmental laws at all levels. Similarly, rainwater harvesting and climate-resilient irrigation schemes are needed so as to provide reliable and sustainable water solutions for Ugandan farmers and contribute to agriculture productivity, improve food security, create local job opportunities, and achieve sustainable and inclusive economic growth.